Hey Dave, I spoke with Bianca this morning, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business online, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this video, so let's jump right in. 3 major things I want to go over today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is basically anything that you can see on this homepage that is written, including the pictures and what they're saved as too. Now, Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage. As you can see, you have some content, but maybe 300 words, so you're lacking on that at the moment. But I did a plumber Baltimore MD search to see who's coming up in first place, and Len the plumber is. So I wanted to see what kind of content he has. Now, as you can see, he has some content here, a little bit of there, little content, not much, nowhere near the 1,500. So if you were to get that 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage, you would easily beat him in that aspect. And we'll get into your keywords here shortly. But I want to break down Google for you first. Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up here. And it's unnecessary if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, so let's go right into these. This second section I want to talk about is this GMB, or Google Map Pack. Now, what ranks you in this section is a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook has one. So I see Warrior the Plumbing and Heating is in first place, and I wanted to see what kind of citations he has. So I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. I plugged in his information and it showed me he has 37 citations. Very beatable. But the best part about this tool is we can go into his sources where he's getting his citations and go and submit all these for your business. All these are submittable, red dot submittable, but they're not created equal. As you can see, this DA, that's how powerful they are. So the stronger they are, the better. But as you can see, they go down and get weaker and weaker. But I'd like to add 80 to 100 to your business, beat these guys out by a landslide, get you up in this top 3, because I know this is where I go when I'm looking for a service, here and here. And then plus that'll get your name out there in more directories for people to find you when they're looking for your service. Now, the third thing I want to talk about is this organic section, which deals directly with your website. And as you can see, Len the plumber is here. What ranks you in this section is called a backlink. Now, a backlink is when one website links back to another via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen it before. Little blue writing in the content, you click it, it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves that and considers every backlink as a vote. So the more backlinks you have, the more votes you have from other websites, the higher you'll rank. Because if another website is willing to link to your website and send its traffic to you, that is huge in Google's eyes. So I have another tool that I use called Ahrefs, and I plugged in your guys' site, AJ Michaels, and this is going to show me a basic overview of all your stats. Now, this UR and DR number are very important. This is your overall page strength, and this is the strength of your backlink profile. And as you can see, you have 4,000 backlinks coming from 134 websites. But the only ones that are transferring power are these 51. These do follow links, and you have 51 of them. That's why this number is very low. Now, they're not created equal backlinks. Just like citations, they all could be different power. And you want more relative sites linking to you, like other plumbing sites. If Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to transfer as much power as other plumbing or construction sites, you know, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So that's your backlinks. Now let's go look at what he has. Now this is Len the Plumber, just his Baltimore area location page. I don't know if he's a franchise, but he has a 26 and a 49. So you can see, even though he has less backlinks than you, they're stronger. And he's probably gaining some power from his main page that's trickling down to his location pages. But that's okay, because we can go into his referring domains, grab all his powerful backlinks from here, which we know are ranking him at the top, and grab them for your business. So another important thing I want to talk about is keywords. Now, this is exact search phrases that people are typing into Google each and every month, and that's why it's important to have that 1,500 words so you could fit these throughout. Here's the keyword. This is how many times it's being searched monthly and how hard it is to rank. So as you can see, Baltimore plumber, 300. That's 300 people writing Baltimore plumber each and every month looking for a plumber. Plumbers Baltimore 400. Plumber Baltimore 150. Plumbing Baltimore 200. Plumber Baltimore City 80. Plumber Baltimore MD 200. Baltimore MD Plumber 40. The variations go on because people always type different stuff and you never know. But look at how much traffic he's getting by being in the first and second position. 100, 50, 50, 40. That's 40 jobs, 100 jobs that you're missing out on by not powering your website to get up to the top. Now, I don't know what a job's worth to you, but I think it'd be worth it to invest in yourself and get up there, right? So anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words so you can fit those special keywords throughout it, one per every 100 words. So when someone types it, Google recognizes it in your content and links to you. And if you rank high, you'll get the business. Second thing that we talked about was citations, and that's what ranks you in this map pack listing. And then third thing we talked about was backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, just give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Dave, and have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line or two and let me know that you watched it, and I thank you for that.